Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to go out and fish a little bit with Wayne, and then we're going to come back and meet George and Sharon for a family outing of catfishing. Your mama says you lose some every once in a while.
Yeah. Yeah, that happened every now and then. A fish.
So you just use a split shot up on it and then tie a hook off the bottom?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. That's the way I do it anyway.
Well,
different people do it different ways.
And what you got, shrimp?
Shrimp. These are a little bigger than normal ones, but they was out. They didn't have a whole lot to choose from this morning.
Do you break them in half or you use the whole thing?
Yeah, usually I break them in half. These are the large ones. They may not catch nothing. I ain't been fishing in probably a month and a half. Start baiting on them. Put him in the boat. He'll drop off. Oh. Ow. Bastard fin.
Okay.
Come on in here, buddy. Go blue.
That's a good size one.
Yeah. Usually we catch a lot more of this size. This is really good. Oh.
Well, you guys got a mess, didn't you?
Yeah. That's the way.
What I do is I lay them like this, where I can put side by side so I can get whatever size, you know, two there. Just less work later on. And then this is what I use, but I put it in this. It's Tony Sassery. In Louisiana, you can buy this at Sam's by the gallon, but our Sam's don't have it by the gallon. Get back, Shiloh. And take your breath. Be a bit with the fan going.
What's that? This cornmeal?
It's plain cornmeal, and then George gets this fish season at Sam's. It's got black pepper and stuff in it. I mix it because the pepper's too hot. So I put cornmeal in with it. You see them hose?
Yeah. But yeah, the special deal, huh?
Yeah. I bought this at a garage sale, but that's just what this is for.
Doing fish, huh?
Or you can do okra, you can do all kinds of stuff. Chicken.
Batter Pro.
I usually try to put the big ones on one end and the little ones on the other end. And put the littler ones and the bigger ones separate. That way they don't overcook.
He said he had to do a lot of honing on it. Yeah. No, this was right, yeah, oh yeah. Is this right here? Is this right here? Yeah. How long we do the garlic? 4 minutes? Yeah, 3.5.
This all out of your garden?
George's? Yeah.
Wow.
That's your bigger pieces down. You want to go 3.5? Yeah.
Hey, do y'all want to sit in here or we can go outside?
No, we can go outside.
Are you sure?
Sitting out here on the porch, overlooking this great ranch that Sharon has. Her and Patsy sit out here during the daytime and enjoy themselves. Today we're having a meal with their family. Feel very blessed today. Hope you all enjoyed this video. We sure enjoyed making it for you. Remember, like, subscribe, and follow me on YouTube. We're gonna go rock hunting next.